So you guys remember the 60 pounds of bacon I got last November. This is September, so it's been 10 months ago. Froze it, and this is how I cook it. When I defrost it, I just throw it in my Dutch oven. Ooh, it's not quite all defrosted yet. Yeah, it's okay. And I just cook it all at once in the Dutch oven, and it goes so much easier. Okay, here is my bacon all done. Of course, I'm going to save the bacon grease right there's from the last batch, and I will just strain it and put it in the refrigerator. Toast. It's a much cheaper alternative. You get 20 servings for $1.32 versus, I don't know how much, $3-4 now. Is that what bagels and English muffins are? Okay, I had the lid on there to melt the cheese. Cheese on so.